Hey guys, today we will make a block placing game just like Minecraft but not 3D. So just really scratchy. And the reason my voice sounds like I'm sick, it's because of the mic, it's nothing else really. First let's just do one green flag clicked. Go to what? Oh, stage. Why am I on stage? Just pay a new sprite. We won't do anything on it for now. We'll do it later. So go to 0, 0, and then we add a forever loop right there. Then we add a point to go to mouse pointer. So we'll just go like Minecraft wood block, just like that. We can go to images, and then we'll just choose a flat one because that's how you want it. Okay, why is this taking me such a long time? I have a wood block. It took a long time just to find it. Let's just delete that. And we'll just upload our costume right there. It's the unnamed one. Yep, just like that. And now what you want to do is convert it to a vector map and decrease it to a size of 75 by 75 pixels. Okay, just like that. And we'll add it like that. Put it in the middle. And just like that, as you can see, we can do everything with it. So gonna go right here and start doing the code. Oh yeah, we do a forever loop right there. If then we just want to duplicate that a few more times. We're gonna need we're gonna use more than 3 blocks. We're gonna add where you can type numbers, not type, tap numbers to change the block. See, okay, so now we do on this key pressed. When we can do 1, 2, 3. Okay, so just like that. We can do switch costume to unnamed, because that's the wood block. So let's just name it wood block for now. Wood block. Okay, just like that. Okay, and then we'll get a flat one, just like that. So you can see, save image as, just save it as that, and then right there, upload a costume. Then we'll click that, and then just like that, we've made a cobblestone block. Now we just size it down to 75 pixels. Now we can do the exact same, but to key 2. Then we add that. Let's just name it cobblestone. Stone. Delete that. Just like that. Cobblestone. As you can see, we can switch between blocks. Now here comes the placing. So what you want to do now is go down here where you can see the blocks, the scratch blocks with the plus right near it. I'll click that, then go to pen and click it. Now this should pop up right here. Now we do. Now add another one green flag clicked. We do a forever, and then if, and then, um, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, mouse down. Where is it? Right here. Then stamp. Now we're gonna add erase all right here. One green flag clicked right below the go to 0, 0. And then we're gonna do what? Yeah, we can do when space pressed. We can where is it? Oh, right here. We can do erase all just because if you didn't want to click the green flag and all this. So as you can see, we can place blocks, and then when we press space, they're gone. And then we can switch blocks and place it just like that. You can really do anything now. Then we press the green flag and all gets deleted. Good. So now you can do whatever you want with this, really. Just build like a house, make a drawing, add all of the blocks. You can add all of the blocks that are in Minecraft if you want to. That'll take a long time. That's why I'm not doing it. Yeah. Well, that's the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on Scratch, and see you guys. Bye.